how to track expenses in Zoho Books. Want to keep your business spending organized? Let's track expenses in Zoho Books step by step. So, first log into Zoho Books, and then from the left menu, go ahead and go to Purchases. And then from here, click on Expenses. Now, from here, click on this new button at the top right to create a new expense. And then under details like date, vendor, category, amount, and payment mode. Upload a copy of the receipt to keep your records audit ready. If the expense is taxable, choose the correct tax rate. Zoho Books will calculate totals automatically. Click on the Save to record the expense. If already paid, choose Save and Record Payment and select the payment mode. Go to Reports to be able to view expenses by category, vendor, or time period. Use filters to analyze spending trends, and that is how to track expenses in Zoho Books.